So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can remove this logo of the photo that you have generated using Gemini. For that purpose, you have to install this application right here named PixArt. It is available in App Store and Play Store too. Now after installing PixArt, you have to tap on this plus button available at the center of the bottom of this application. And when you do that, you'll be redirected to its home page, and after that you have to tap on this See All button and your gallery will be open. From here you have to import that image that you want to edit. Now after that you have to tap on this Tools button, which is the very first option in this list, and here you get an option Clone, which is the first option in the second line of this list. And after that you'll get this kind of targeted arrow. You have to place it somewhere near the logo and zoom in more and place it somewhere near the logo. After that you have to tap on this brush icon and simply start tapping on the logo gently. And here you can see that the logo has been removed completely. If I zoom out here, no one can guess that there was a logo. And if you want some clear perfect results, you can give it some more taps and it will be perfectly cleaned. So that's how you remove a Gemini logo from a Gemini or AI generated photo. Thank you so much.